Hey Mom, Dad, and Gummy Bear, can I go to New Year's Eve?
No, you may not.
Why not?
Because you're still grounded and from grounding for a few times. Go to your room right now.
Great idea, Mother, I said. I'm going to go to your room and you'll save beyond logic.
Yay, night Grantz is gone forever. Let's go to New Year's Eve. But I'm still night. Let's do some in 23, 11 and 40 p.m. Oh boy, I can't wait to see New Year's Eve.
People, there's 2018 seconds to run about to... Okay, let's do this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Wow, this fireworks in 2019.
I can't believe I got grounded from not going to go to the fireworks in 2019. Today is January 1st. Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to light fireworks in the house. This the New Year's Eve special. Ha 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 ha. Yay! Let's put the fireworks and from feeding the house. And viewers, attention people, the fireworks in it from a double blow up in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh no! The house is destroyed.
No, my talking Tom. This set the house on fire. Oh, I'm destroyed. I'm burned down the house.
Wait a minute. Night Grantz, can you please get over here?
What is it, Mom, Dad, and Gummy Bear?
Did you light fireworks in the house? Tell us the truth right now. I'll be grounded from angry voice test today.
Yes. I will light fireworks in the house. I'm so sorry.
Night Grantz, I cannot believe you destroyed the house, but that's a lot of light fireworks in the house on New Year's Eve special. That's it. You are so ground until 2020. Now get a new house. Now go to sleep in the snow right now.
Now go to sleep.
No,
I said go to sleep right now.
I don't want to go to sleep.
I said go to sleep, Night Grantz!
Mom, this is promotion! I'm not going to sleep!
That's it, Night Grantz. You are grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 decades. And you will turn himself into the teeth boy. Now go to sleep right freaking now, or you'll be grounded for life. So anyways, get in your house. Happy New Year for the friends. See you next year.